Name, please.
My name is Shantanu Hajra.
Okay. Yeah. So you're representing which company here?
I represent Exit Academy here. I'm basically the country manager for the marketing purpose of Exit Academy. So let me tell a bit about Exit Academy. We Exit Academy are basically a Canada-based organization, and we have our presence offices like in Slovakia, Mexico, Iran, and also in Canada. We recently started our journey in India from last year itself, because we have started 2020, but due to pandemic, our expansion, has not been done well. So we have started just from last year. Presently, we are working the capacity of school education and also for higher level education, say like for the engineering students and for the university students. We develop curriculum for upper primary, for lower primary, and also for engineering students. So the first benefit what we are looking for, see, nowadays India's most of the schools has ATL lab and other things, but the proper curriculum is somehow missing. So we design the proper curriculum for the middle school, for the lower school, and for the upper school, and we deliver the same kind of training in hybrid model, because post-pandemic there is a big crisis of online and offline teaching methodology. So in that case, the requirement nowadays is to provide hybrid learning. So we provide online training along with offline training. We develop lab for the schools, and if the school or the institution have already an existing setup, we help them with new project, new programs, new kits, and new models. So students can get the best of learning out there. And we also train the teachers of the institution, particular institution, so they can also deliver the best of the STEM learning and education to the students.
That's a lot of contribution to education system.
Yes, and to mention that we have right now tied up with the second best school of India, that is known as St. Joseph North Point, Darjeeling, and we are going to tie up with like other Jesuit schools also in the coming few days. So you can say yes, we are quite happy to serve schools like St. Joseph North Point here in India, and let's see how we can develop. In fact, in university and higher education capacity, we are working closely with UEM University and Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management also. There we also deliver the same kind of robotics and other STEM learning to their computer science and electrical and engineering students. So that is, and yeah, it's a great experience to being here.
This was actually the next question of mine.
Yes,
How are
correct,
you feeling here?
No, it's lovely. It's a lovely experience, because we here come to meet so many influential people from a different educational, ministry level, and so many organizations, so many schools are there. It's fantastic. It's great.
It's
great
when
experience.
we get the good response, we feel even more energetic,
Correct,
more
ma'am,
confident about the
correct.
product we are offering.
Correct. So we are very hopeful that it will give a good mileage in terms of proper education delivery and in terms of proper expansion also. So we are really grateful to AICRA and to all of you.
Even we are grateful to you, sir.
Thank
We
you
look
so
for a longer association.
Yes, we also look forward for the same kind of thing. Hopefully for the next any upcoming event will be dedicated participants of that, and we'll take most of it.
Yeah, hopefully, yes. With crossed fingers.
Sure,
we hope for the
sure.
same, sir.
Sure.
Thanks for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and thanks again to AICRA. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.